friends, Kshitij here once again for you. Today I am going to talk about the fastest way to relax your brain. Why relaxation is required for brain? Yes, because when we are working in office and it continues in concentration, continues in our work, and sometimes we feel exhausted, right? And due to that, not able to concentrate on our work. So, friends, there are some techniques to relax your brain. Okay, practically what happened within a 1 hour? Within a 1 hour, we need minimum 3 breaks of minimum 10 seconds. Minimum 10 seconds. Because after each 10 to 20 minutes, let me repeat, after each 10 to 20 minutes, if you are continuously working or concentrating on particular work, your decision process, mind decision process get exhausted in brain, and for that you require relaxation break 3 times in an hour, minimum 10 seconds of break. So now, how to take this break in your office or where you work? Okay. First is yawning. Now you see yawning. Did you see yawning? Yes. Yawning is one of the best technique or exercise for relaxation. Yawning like this. You have to gently do this yawning. Why? Because this yawning, repeating, this yawning slow down the access activity in the brain, and it release that stress, that neurological stress in your brain. So that's why this yawning is important. Do this technique. Okay, this is very helpful. Second, super slow stretch. I'll show this image. In this image, how to stretch yourself. Okay, let's see this image. Now, you have to stretch your body like in this image. Okay, so you stretch your neck, your shoulder, your arms, and this will send relaxation signals to your tense muscles and bring you into present moment where better decisions are made. So this was second technique to super slow your stretch. Now next, you have to very slow, you have to touch like this, your forearm and fingers. You have to very slowly touch your forearms and your hand. This will reduce your negative emotions. Repeating, very slowly touch your forearms and hand. Gently reduce your negative emotions. Both the arms you can see. And now next, one of the awesome techniques in US for MBA executives, they have used these techniques. Even I do this technique, and they found is very effective techniques for relaxation. Okay, so what is this technique? This technique is nothing but mindful clock or awakeness, awaken bell. Okay, so this is nothing but one bell. Okay, or you can schedule this bell. That's why I call it clock, mindfulness clock. I have given one link in my YouTube video. You can click on that link and you can open that particular website. Okay, you can use this web application either on your mobile or a laptop or a computer. So what this bail is, okay, you just listen what this bail is. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this sort of bail, awakening bail, you can schedule after each 20 minutes, and it is really relaxing. I hope, friends, this technique currently I am using for my relaxation. A lot of people are using, a lot of friends of mine. So friends, use these techniques and relax your brain fastest way. And I hope, my heart saying that this will change your life. Your productivity will increase like boom. Okay, so use this technique, and I need your feedback, comment in my YouTube channel, YouTube video. Okay, I need your comments. I need to see how you're getting benefit from these techniques. Okay, and as I said, that link for this YouTube bail or mindfulness link is given in my YouTube description. So use that. Okay, and enjoy these techniques. Thank you, Kshitij.